How to sign in into your SoundCloud account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into your SoundCloud account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up a web browser and simply search for SoundCloud. After you search for SoundCloud, you will see its website pop up at the top. Now all you have to do is open up its website. Right here you will see soundcloud.com. You can directly head over here as well. After you've done that, if you do not have an account, there is an option to create an account. You can tap on it and create your account first. If you already do have an account, tap on sign in. After you do that, type in your email address and tap on continue. There's also an option to continue with your Facebook or with your Google. Now logging in with these will be easier. Tap on continue right here and then type in your password. Now, since I do not know my password, I'll just continue with Google. But if you know your password, just type in your password and tap on continue, and then you'll get logged in. Now, since my accounts are same, I'll just log in with my Google. And after doing that, there we go. You've just logged in into your SoundCloud account. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.